Many of my subscribers have been asking me how to remove the diamond or VEO watermark that appears whenever they create a video with Google Flow, even though you are on the Pro plan. The good news is that you don't need any paid software or complicated editing tricks. In this video, I'll show you a simple, completely free method to remove the watermark in just a few minutes while keeping your video quality intact. So if you're ready, let's jump straight into the tutorial. For this tutorial, we're going to use a completely free video editor called Shotcut. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, so almost everyone can use it without paying for any subscription. To get started, open your browser and visit the official Shotcut website. You'll find the download link in the description below this video as well. Once you're on the website, click the download button and choose the version that matches your operating system. Since I'm using a Windows computer, I'll select the Windows installer. Your download should begin automatically after a few seconds. After the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation steps. It only takes a minute or two to complete. Once everything is installed, launch Shotcut and you'll be greeted with its main workspace. Now, don't let the interface intimidate you. Shotcut is actually a powerful video editor with lots of professional editing features. But for this tutorial, we're only going to use one simple tool. So even if you've never edited a video before, you'll be able to follow along easily. The first thing you need to do is create a new project. Choose the folder where you want Shotcut to save your project files, then give your project a name. After that, click Start, and you'll be taken into the editing workspace. Next, it's time to import your Google Flow videos. Click Open File and select the video you want to remove the watermark from. If you've created several videos with Google Flow, I recommend selecting all of them at once instead of importing them one by one. That way, you can remove the watermark from every clip in a single project, which saves you a lot of time. Once your videos are imported, drag each clip from the playlist down onto the timeline. Arrange them in the order you want, making sure every clip is sitting on the timeline before moving to the next step. Now click on the first video clip to select it. At the top of the interface, open the Filters panel. Click the plus icon to add a new filter, then type Spot Remover into the search box. When you see it appear, click on it to add the filter to your video. A rectangle will immediately appear in the preview window. This is the area that the spot remover will work on. Simply click and drag the rectangle until it completely covers the Google Flow watermark. You should notice the watermark blending into the surrounding pixels, making it much less noticeable or disappearing entirely. If necessary, you can also adjust the size and position of the rectangle so it perfectly covers the watermark. Repeat this exact process for every other clip on your timeline. Since the watermark usually appears in the same position, you'll find that removing it from multiple videos is very quick once you've done the first one. After you've finished checking all your clips, the final step is to export your video. Click Export, then choose Export Video. Select the folder where you want to save the finished file, give it a new name, and click Save. Shotcut will begin rendering your video, and once it's finished, you'll have a clean version without the visible Google Flow watermark. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out my other Google Flow tutorials, where I share more tips, tricks, and workflows to help you create even better AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.